All right, we back, we good. My phone didn't die, let's go. So I highly recommend looking into sources like ChatGPT. Any open AI source you can get your hands on, go ahead and learn how to use that, right? Think about it like this. Anything that someone would pay you for in terms of a service that can be done online, nowadays you can outsource that to AI. You're saving yourself a lot of time and energy. I really think that in the future, well, really now, that business is going to continue to shift towards AI. It's scary to a lot of people. I really think that it is just smart to go ahead and position yourself with the tide and swim with the stream instead of trying to swim against the stream. It's really off the dome, but say you get ChatGPT to write you a script for a podcast, and then you pay somebody to perform and manage the podcast for you, and then you can turn it into a stream of passive income doing that. A social media management firm where all of the ads, marketing, targeting, inbox management, CRM, customer relationship management is all done with an AI. Charge a fee for managing client portfolios, such as trading, investing, but use AI to make better decisions than you can, but you collect the profit from it. Have an AI generate you art and then sell that art online. And then you could have the AI target people with art as an interest, automatically create the script for the proposal, and then it automatically sends them the art to buy.